My goodness. Come on, my sweetheart. Come on, my sweetheart. Mommy, where's my collar? Come on, let's go. Come on, sweetheart. Come. Come, baby. You stay there. Hi, Louie. Hi, brother Louie. Hello, my love. I want to buy the stainless color, but it's too small for Kiara. It's a winter time there na. Yeah, but no rain. Still no rain. Cloudy, just cloudy this morning and yesterday. Yes, it was cloudy, but no rain. Ouch. Oh. Metal color with bronze. Oh, yeah, metal. Oh, it's heavy. Metal is heavy. Metal is heavy. It's heavy for Kiara. Guyag. My goodness. Why are you so excited to catch? Kiara's so excited. Come on, let's go. Let's go in the water. Aray. Slowly. Your teeth. Come on. Hi, baby loves. Good morning, my love. Wait, it's not morning anymore. It's afternoon. Hi, Louie. Brother Louie, why are you always looking? Come on. Go. Get it. Louie. Come on, get it. Come on. Get it. Here. Hey. You always listening to the... My goodness. Kiara, come here. Come, baby. Where are you going? What color are you talking? I don't know what's that kind of color. I don't know. Yes, that is heavy. Heavy color. Catch it. Ooh, lovely. Come on. Come here. Come here, Miss Sweetheart. Hello. Oi. La la la.